Okay, so today is a big event for crypto market, for stock market. We've got the jobs report that has just come out. I'm going to share that with you, and we're going to have to see how this later today it unfolds as far as the impact of this. You're like, Austin, what is this jobs report? Why does this matter to crypto? It does. I'm going to remind you that there are three key reports we get every single month that deal with inflation. And I know I'm tired of saying inflation as well, but it is inflation and the reports and the interest rate hikes and all that kind of stuff that is keeping crypto down, and it's impacting the stock market, all the financial markets as well. So this jobs report has just come out. I'm going to share it with you, and then I want you to keep an eye on your crypto market holdings today, to see how this impacts this. Right now, the jobs report has just come out as of the recording of this video. And so we'll see how this kind of plays out as far as kind of the rest of today. Okay. So here's what we've got going on right now. Okay. So like I said, the jobs report just came out. All right. And it came out, the market was up 1.2. So the market has moved back a little bit. Okay. We got Bitcoin up 1.1 and Ethereum up 1.8. Now, again, before the jobs report came out, Ethereum was up about 1.98% and Bitcoin was up about 1.25%. So the crypto market, as of the recording of this video, is starting to move a little bit backwards with this jobs report just coming out. Now, this report literally just came out about 10 minutes ago as of the recording of this video. Okay, so depending upon when you're seeing it, we'll see how kind of what's going on. Okay, so the jobs report: U.S. economy adds 339,000 jobs in May, crushing expectations. Okay, so so we added more than 300,000. That's like I said. So unemployment rate rose 3.7%. Okay, so this marks the 14th straight month that job creation came in above what Wall Street economists had expected. They were looking for it only to rise 195,000, but it rose 339,000. That's a pretty big beat. Okay. And so this is it. This will impact stocks. It will impact crypto. Okay. So we'll see how this looks. So hiring is slowing, but the U.S. labor market remains resilient. Okay. Now, let me zoom out here real quickly and show you this. I've been watching, and again, as of the recording of this video, okay, I've been watching the futures, and the NASDAQ futures just bumped up dramatically. Okay, so again, as of the recording of this video, this data is now out. The jobs report is out, and the Dow futures and the NASDAQ futures. And these, if you don't know what these are, this is what's going on basically before the stock market officially opens. It kind of gives you an indicator of what's going to happen, things of that nature. So the Dow futures and the NASDAQ futures are rising after this report has come out. Got crypto moving back a little bit. Let me refresh this. Still holding at 1.02, but you can see Bitcoin has fallen to below 1% up on the 24-hour, and Ethereum has fallen from that almost 2% up. So we got crypto moving back a little bit on this stronger than expected jobs report. Okay, so we'll see how this impacts it, but this is what's going on with your crypto holdings today. Okay, so just keep an eye on it. I'm just, again, my goal in this chair is to make you aware of what's going on. So that's what's going on with your crypto holdings today. So again, as of recording this video, we're moving back a little bit. We'll see how the rest of it plays out. All right, I'll see you. Thanks. Bye.